Hello. All right. Who do you got this time?
So I got a couple for you.
Okay.
So there's one female by juniors. She has a red headband
Okay.
and glasses.
Yep. I see her.
And then there's some other lady that came with her. She has like a white bag. She has missing teeth.
Okay.
She's somewhere on this area too. And then there's another lady with all black, and she's by home area.
Okay. You said they've stolen before? Okay.
Oh yeah, so many times.
And were they ever able to be caught on those?
So one of them actually gave the officer apparently she faked her name, and
Okay.
so wrong, yeah, and then she also didn't have anything on her that day, but she also came again just last Thursday and stole. So
Okay. Did you guys get a case number for that by chance?
I tried looking for it and I couldn't find anything.
Okay.
So I don't know what happened to it, but I know that there has to be a case of it.
Okay.
I just
So we know for her in specific, and you know that she's stolen before.
yeah.
So my biggest thing is that I will try to do. I'll use whatever verbal judo that I can to try to get her actual name.
Yeah.
And I can stand here and see if she's going to even attempt to steal at this point, but I'm not going to kind of mess around with it.
Yeah.
Her friend that she came in with, you said missing teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like. Okay.
Oh, yeah, she's actually right in front of us. Glasses and white soda.
Okay. So both of them?
Yeah.
And they're looking at them trespass for.
Life.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Hello, ma'am. Hey, can I chat with you real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. So, sounds like you've come into the store and you've stolen before. So you're going to be trespassed for life from here, okay? Do you happen to have ID on you?
Yes.
You do? I know you got a straw and a lighter in your hand. You know drugs are bad for you, right? Thank you. I'll give you that back here in a second. Sarah Franks. Okay, so you're trespassed for life. If you come back. Okay, sorry. If you come back for whatever reason at any point in time, you can be cited for trespassing. If you come back and commit a crime whatsoever, it could be anything. It could be a felony. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so my body camera's been rolling this entire time. Do you want a copy of your trespass form?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Call 1 bill and M local frauds. Last of Frank's, first of Sarah, a Native American female, 50s. Where'd the other one go? Middle initial is going to be A. Adam. Where'd the other one go?
So the other one's right there by active.
Okay. That's the only other one, right?
Yeah, I mean, other than the other girl that gave a fake name.
Okay. Do you know what? Did she give a name before?
No, she has not.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello. Police department, just so you know my camera's rolling. Hey, so the store is trespassing you. So I'm gonna have to ask you to put the merchandise down and leave.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
And what?
So it sounds like you've come into the store before and you've stolen. And so sounds like you might have given a fake name at one point too.
Well, I'm sorry.
Okay. No, I appreciate that. Do you happen to have ID on you by chance?
I don't.
No. What's your name? You don't want to give me your name? I don't care if you got warrants or anything like that. I'm not concerned about that. This is simple trespass. All I need is your name and you can leave.
Brianna.
Brianne? What's your last name?
Roddy.
What is it?
Roddy.
Loggy?
Roddy.
Roddy. Go ahead.
Here you go.
Yeah. So I'm just going to explain.
This is my jacket I walked in with. Oh, yeah.
So just to explain to you here. So you can't come back. It's a lifetime trespass. If you come back for any reason, you be cited for trespass. If you come back and commit a crime like theft or anything like that, it could be a felony. You understand that?
Understood.
Okay. If you want to contest it at all, you can call management. Just don't come back onto the property. Does that make sense?
Fine with me.
Okay. And do you want a copy of your trespass form?
I'll probably get it in the mail.
Well, where do you receive your mail?
Huh?
Where do you receive your mail
At
at?
home.
What's home?
Blaine.
In Blaine? Okay. You said Brianne Roddy is your name? Okay. All right. Appreciate your time. Thank you.
So the other person was the one we have like a description of, and that's the one that came last Thursday night. And she's somewhere around here.
Okay.
So
I will hang tight outside
okay.
just because I'm not gonna go jumping
Yeah.
around the store for them.
Okay.
I got the two of them. I'll fill out forms for them.
All right.
Yeah, that's all I really got for you.
Okay.
Anything else?
Nope. I mean, that's kind of. I mean, there was one person who like reeks of meth,
Yep.
and yeah, so like he's walking around here, and he kind of. Oh, he's right in front of us actually, right there. I honestly, I mean, don't think he's gonna buy anything, but
Okay.
again, we'll just keep an eye on him and.
Just let us know.
Yeah.
Reeking of meth nowadays isn't necessary.
Yeah.
I even have a hard time sometimes with that when people are just walking around stores. So if you happen to see me use drugs or something like that on property, that's different.
Okay.
But smelling of it,
All right.
totally different circumstances at this point. That's just kind of my thoughts with it, okay?
All right. Yeah. No worries.
I'll sit outside for a bit. I'll fill out some paperwork. If that person comes out, just kind of walk out, poke your head and be like,
All right.
that person.
All right.
All right?
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.